Hey, welcome to preschool.
Hi, boys and girls.
We have missed you.
A lot.
You miss us? Of course you do. So we want to have some fun today. So thanks for coming, and we'll see what we talk about in just a minute.
Today we're thinking about air. The earth has air. It's actually surrounded by a blanket of air. And that air is what we breathe in and out every day. Take a deep breath in and then let it out. We are breathing in air. Air is not something that we can see. We actually can't see it with our eyes. But there are ways that we know air is all around us. We can feel air on our bodies. We can feel and see air move around. There are lots of things that can move in the wind. This curtain moves in the wind. And this flag, these windmills, even this bag can be moved around by the wind. That's how we know air is all around us. We can see it move things.
All right, we have Scarlett here who's going to show us how we can strengthen our hand muscles to improve fine motor skill function. She's going to get out whatever color Play-Doh that she wants. Play-Doh is a great way to strengthen hand muscles. Also opening things like lids and markers. That's also a great way for little kids to strengthen those muscles. Squishing it in both hands, kind of kneading it, especially in the hand that they write with. Have them squish it like 10 times. Yep, then rolling it out like a snake. Okay, can you make it into a circle? Good. What color is this Play-Doh? Yellow. She chose yellow. She likes yellow a lot. Her shirt is yellow. She chose Play-Doh to be yellow. She likes yellow. Okay, can you take that snake apart and make it into a triangle? Perfect. A triangle has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. And 3 corners. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now you take that apart and make it into a square. Or the squares have to have all the sides the same. Let's see, 1 side, 2 sides. It has 4 sides. 3 and 4. Ooh, that's a great square. Perfect.
Scarlett and I have been practicing not touching our face. So this is us practicing not touching our face. Stop! 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 Stop touching your face! Stop!
Hi everybody. We are going to be practicing our letter U today, and this is our umbrella puppet, and this is letter U. So U goes down, then back up, and so does lowercase u. Goes down, then back up, kind of like a big smiley face, or if you turned an umbrella upside down, that's how it would look. So we're gonna sing the puppet song together. I hope you remember and help me sing. My name is Umbrella, my name starts with U. U sounds like umbrella, U. Is it raining today? Not today. It rained yesterday. Oh, I love the rain. It's so fun. I love to jump in it and play in it. It's so exciting. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, I love it too. Oh, good. We're gonna find letter U's around the room. So if you'll follow me, we're gonna find U's. You wanna help me, Uncle's umbrella? Sure. Okay, here we go. Oh, look. I found a U right here. In the word Tuesday. There's a U. Oh, there's another U in the word Saturday. There's a U right here. Let's look at our letter chart. Here's a U. U. Umbrella. U. Umbrella. Let's see if I can find another U. Let's see if I look up here. Can you find the U? Do you see it? U. This also has an umbrella picture. U, umbrella. Okay, let's look over here. Okay, I think I found something on the floor that is maybe starts with U. Look, somebody turned these chairs upside down. Upside down starts with U. Let's see, look what else we found. Oh no. What? Somebody left their underpants on the floor.
Yeah. This is a paper about letter U, and our friends at home are going to follow along and see how you do it, and then we hope they do the paper they have in their packet that looks like this. So first will you write your name on it so we don't forget whose it is. Remember how at school we always had you get your name on it so that we could figure out who to send it home with. You could show your family. Thanks, bub. Okay, we're looking for letter U in the raindrops under this umbrella. So umbrella, right here it says it. Just a sec. Under here it says umbrella. It starts with letter U. U sounds like umbrella. So will you find all the U's on this and trace them and then color the raindrop. Raindrop doesn't start with the U, does it? Nope. It just, but umbrella does. He found one. He traced it, then he colors it. So you can't really see the tracing after you color it, but it's good to practice how to write a U.
He's going to color the umbrella, and you can color yours on your paper. Different
Any
colors.
color except for black.
Yeah, that's a good idea. If he slows down and stays within the lines of that section of the umbrella, we'll be able to tell it's an umbrella.
And we want to tell that it's an umbrella.
Sure, because then you understand why there's U's all over the place, because of the umbrella. You could send us pictures. Maybe your mom or dad could send us pictures of the papers you do or how you're doing at home or you being silly. We'd like to see that. Well, thanks again for watching on that paper. Turn it over, Liam, will you? And let's see if we can write a few U's. Do you know how they look? They look kind of like a smile. Will you try to write a few? What color do you want to do?
A pencil.
A pencil would be easier, huh? Okay, here he goes. Oh, let's see. So he goes down, back up, and then down with a little tail. Okay, the tail can be straight. Oh, he's getting fancy. Let's make the tail straight. There it is, straight. See this one? See how, yep, there you go. There you go. Some people just make a U like a smile. They don't put this line down. This line is handy.
Yeah, and except for when you're doing a capital one, you just make a big
It
one.
could be.
And it doesn't
You have to be
help.
careful, huh, that it doesn't point and look like a V. Huh? We thought you might like to build a like a model spacescape. So we're going to do the moon. Like if we were traveling to the moon, what might be fun to think about or imagine. We have an egg carton. Now you might have a muffin tin or egg cartons or something, or even just little dishes that scoop out like this that make a dent. Remember how the moon has dents in it that we call craters? Well, this will be our area of craters on the moon. So we're going to put this underneath and see if we can kind of push some of this down in these holes to make craters. So some rocks and things. So we're going to put some rocks around on the moon. This color is what? Gray. This is gray. You're right. That's sometimes a hard one to remember, huh? So we have different things on this moon. We also have a space shuttle. So space shuttle is a kind of a space rocket that flies off of our Earth and goes out into space and orbits around things. This kind of a ship would not land on the moon, but we did have some land on the moon that looked a little differently. So let's pretend though that it's taking off from Earth over here, and it takes off, breaks away from its fuel tanks, and it goes out into space. Sometimes it flies upside down. And it could, if it was the right kind of spaceship, it could come and land on the moon. Now, this kind that we have nowadays, called the shuttle, of course, won't land on the moon. It's too big, and it won't go through the atmosphere out there the same way. So we have some little astronauts. These astronauts have on important things that astronauts need. They need an air tank. So here's a bigger one. And here's a little one on these guys. All these astronauts have on their spacesuit and their air tank and their heavy boots, because remember, the gravity on the moon isn't as strong as on our Earth. So they're going to go down. This one has some tools. He's going to chop some rock pieces off, because the real astronauts that went to the moon, they can just be up here in space. They brought back some pieces of moon rock so we could see what it was like. So they're out here walking around. Now remember, the moon is a lot bigger than it looks with these guys. So they also had a space car. They took in the spaceship in pieces and they put it together, and they could drive around on the moon and get further to different places to see what the moon was like. So you could make something with your toys, or a little picture you draw, or something that you have at your house that could be like the car on the moon, or like the astronaut people, or a little rocket. And you could make a space scene, and then you can play on that today.